Hello friends. So today we will complete the second unit export data of data management module. So let's open this in a new tab. Scroll down and check the quiz. So the first question is the data export service is accessible through the setup menu. Second question is to export data manually using the data export service. From setup, open data export and then select export now. The third question, data exports schedule export option can be scheduled at the following intervals. Monthly. Now check the quiz.